See, Goa, as I said, is probably the last bastion of Western Ghat. And as you know, Western Ghat is one of the two hotspots of biodiversity in India. Western Ghat and Eastern Himalayas. And both are under serious stress. In fact, my constituency where I was, my earlier constituency where I was last 2 days, I just came from there. It's also part of the same ecosystem, Western Ghats. And Western Ghats literally are under serious threat. And in fact, everybody worries that today the monsoon is still there, but not the type of monsoon that you had seen when me and Alex or Mr. Depo young. We used to see the kind of monsoon we can never venture out of the house when the rains used to come. But that monsoon pattern is changing globally. You can say El Nino factor or whatever reason for that. But the reality of matter is that rains, we sustain the Western Ghat, but if you don't keep Western Ghat alive, the rains will not be there. Will not be there in a sense, it will be disrupted so much that we don't know the consequences of that. So one of the challenge of ecosystem is, if you tinker with it somewhere, you don't know what effect it will have on the entire ecosystem. So you should be extremely careful to deal with the ecosystem. And in fact, this is like a life of entire Indian population, entire country is dependent on Western Ghat. And therefore Western Ghat are so critical, and Goa, I would say, is at the hub of that Western Ghat. And therefore, if you can work on making Goa a really reservoir, a custodian of that huge repository of that particular life, we will be able to save the whole of India, and not only India but probably the rest of the world as well.